Hi, today we are going to learn poem 1 2. Buckle my shoe. Let's start. 1 2 1 2. Buckle my shoe. Buckle my shoe. 3 and 4 3 and 4. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. 5 and 6 5 and 6. Pick up the sticks. Pick up the sticks. Pick up the sticks. 5 and 6. Pick up the sticks. 7 8 7 8. Lay them straight. Lay them straight. 7 8. Lay them straight. 9 10 9 10. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.